As usual, me and Carl have been left to sort out mess out that lads just dump everywhere. Why have they dumped the scrap pile there when the scrap pile's there? Because they can't be bothered walking over there from there. Pile of wood there, pile of wood there, but yet we have a shelf for wood there. Good morning YouTube, just realised we haven't got a video yet today. We're still over in Keighley again, me and Carl. You can't come up here, they're not going this butcher's lunds behind. We've just seen his first job down the road, a little nursery, probably a waste of time to be honest, but I once quoted it, same job, not 3 years ago, over 3 years ago. I think it's got a different owner now, but we'll quote it, but it didn't sound that promising if I'm honest. Carl's just in shop getting something himself now, but and then we're just going to see one for Keighley Town Council around the corner. So we'll quickly eat these, then go see that. And then on the way back I'm going to call in at school at Queensbury. We've got a couple of repairs there to do apparently. So yeah, busy morning, so we'll get on with it and hopefully get some footage as we're going round. Yeah, so we're just at Keighley Town Council offices here, just getting round colour this door because we're going to have to fence this off around here with a panel and an exit gate. Stinks. Homeless guys staying in there and it all stinks of basically. So we'll just get his measurements because we're just with council blokes here. We'll get back to you. So this concreting's looking good. All dry now, can easily. We've already had vans over it, but we're giving it as long as possible before we go on fork trucks. Same with this, it's all really solid now. There's nothing wrong with that. So I think this morning, well first of all, this is still stuff for my house. There's a few bits to finish off which didn't get done Friday. To be honest, we were all too hot. It was like 40 degrees, so well we took Bubba out corner from my house Friday afternoon, which, you know, you got to make most of the weather, haven't you? There's actually a few bits under there as well, posted up, a few bits left, which is actually mostly spare, but we need just a bit of this kicker board, just a bit to put on. Borrowed some little panels for the front of my house, just a panel swap replacement and a little gate, I think. Or with a mecking gate, I can't remember now. No, I think they ordered one. Yeah, they did, yeah, they ordered a gate. So there's them to pick up, but that's going to be tomorrow because today they're going to empty van and then they want, it's 27.5 metres of 1.8 twin at a school, Marsfield. They've got like an old chain link one on wall at the minute, which is rubbish and basically people can get over from the other side. So they're going to take that off and then renew it. You know, it's quite an easy job. It should, well, walls a bit all over, but they'll take some brackets and that with them and bolt it to a wall. Get 2 or 3 good fixings in each, should be fine. We're going today because apparently the kids, even though they don't finish one next week, they've got like a bit of a sports day. Their field's like half a mile away, so there shouldn't be anybody about where they're working. So that's why we've arranged to go this morning. So yeah, hopefully the lads will be here soon. Although Jamie's had a bit of bereavement in the family, sorry about that Jamie, but you know, what can you do? It's life, isn't it, unfortunately. So yeah, we'll lads should be here soon. Get that van unloaded with twin, which I think is, that's what it's there, on that pile there, I can see it, yeah. We'll get that sorted out, loaded up, on the way, go through the job with them. And then once they've gone, what I'm going to do is start moving this stocker down because, yeah, I've got a load of stock coming for all these jobs in the next day or two. Well, I've got one this week, hopefully another one that I'm waiting on desperately. And I'll start sections like I used to have them. They're all just being joyed about left, right and centre here. You forget what you've got. Yeah, a bit to do in yard. Flipping heck, yeah, it's always a problem, isn't it? It's my fault this, I've had a bit of a boo-boo job that they've gone to do, which I thought were going to be straightforward. And quite got into where they were measured, but I couldn't see it from where I was stood, and I just counted the whole chain link, 3 metre centres. So I got my measurement, and like behind some sort of fold up gates, there's like a roof, then I can't get into it, so I'm going to make some brackets now to fit like on a V-shaped sort of coping. Luckily we've got 2, so we're going to use them, which will only step up like one of them basically. So 200, so it won't be too bad. Clamp bars are there. I'll dig them out and get Carl to make some brackets now. Mad rush. Carl's got these posts fabricated now. I'm just going to tack them up to them with some 1.2 panels. Just get a video because they're all here now. Better started. Was putting it on wall like that there, just to stop neighbours, and I've had to make some to go on that bit down there. Just a little sort out, delivery's on its way, but as usual me and Carl have been left to sort out mess out that lads just dump everywhere. Why have they dumped the scrap pile there when the scrap pile's there? Because they can't be bothered walking over there from there. Pile of wood there, pile of wood there, but yet we have a shelf of wood there. Well, that's the weirdest thing. Carl's just said his roof just started dripping. It's not even raining. Yeah, we just can't work that out. Start to see if we can see up. Can't see without getting the ladder up. This gutter looks a bit bent in the middle there.
There's no water on the roof.
That gutter needs sorting though. There's a dip there. Yeah, it probably just wants to get ladder. I won't try that, mate. It's right over there. Is it? That's strange, that, isn't it? It's quite a bit though, isn't it? It's making me wonder, is it underneath? Under the tin? Yeah? Is it under there? Yeah, I just pulled up at Power Quarters at Cleckheaton. Busy place this. Pick some gates up for Carl. Hopefully it'll come out in a minute. That's me loaded up. There's some mesh that we've picked up. Right, but I shall get it sorted. We're just back down at metal treats. It'll be down here a few times lately. Carl's gone in the office to get Pip, so I've jumped in driver's seat. Hopefully not too long. Let's see, we'll get these unloaded and that, probably call it a day. Lads are finished already. Me and Carl are just going to go back in the morning where they've been today. They've done some repairs, panel repairs, but we're going to, Carl's made a little bit to go on the bottom of some little double gates and extensions at bottom so kids can't get out. So yeah, we're just going to go fit them. He's fabricated and painted them up today, so brilliant. Having a Carl like Swiss Army knife. I hear that on another channel. Carl's our Swiss Army knife. So yeah, I shall hopefully get us unloaded shortly. Good morning, YouTube. Friday already. Sun comes round, doesn't it? Yeah, lovely day this morning actually. Although I believe it's forecast rain later and all weekend unfortunately, but just brought some waters to top our tank up in there, fresh water. We're now running water here actually. We have electric that I put in years ago, but no running water. The lads are actually off today. Baggy's actually gone to a bee for last minute. Probably does right, just for the weekend. Not a cheap deal I believe. So doing well getting it in now before madness. Let school holidays start next week, so be flat out after then. A little bit of stuff to take to tip and burn and whatever. This is all like spare timber stock. That's actually some over there as well, but these are all deliveries that we've had. That's a job, that's a job, that's a job. I've got a load more coming. These are just like stock built up quite a bit now. Got quite a bit going on there. Only sorting really when we get the rack in. And the gate I collected for Carl is put up there safely for now. That cladded gate I think he's doing. He should be here any minute anyway. We started a little bit late this morning, 7:30. all we're doing really, we're going to just finish the little repairs the lads were doing yesterday. Carl's made some like additions to go and bought some existing gates that they've got. They just had some timber bolted on which he wanted something a bit more permanent. So Swiss Army Carl's knocked something up. He had them painted in his shed and up. So we're going to go there first thing, do that, and then they've got an existing drop bolt on another gate where kids have sussed out it's not quite long enough, so kids have sussed out if they push it from inside they can open it. So we're just going to add a little bit onto it, something to note. We'll weld that on and paint it up. I can see he's here now, he's got Chambos. There he is, look. Bang on time, as usual. He's on the main car, we'll never late. So yeah, we'll get that sorted now, and then we're going down, pick a gate up from our good friends over at HC. I think I alluded to it yesterday, I can't remember, but obviously I've known Ed for years, got stuff off him for years, and makes our gates, stuff like that. Great guy, and Carl, we do bits together. There now, look, it's Jam. And Carl's going to meet him for the first time. Obviously I spoke loads of times up before, but never met in person, so we're going to go over there and have a little meeting, a cup of tea, and see how we can help each other. So yeah, that's it really. Just do that, and we've got a little job to look up the road at my wife's school, which we've got the job. I just want a second head to look at it with me. Obviously Carl's a fabricator, just how we want this post making, so yeah, we're going to do that. So we'll get on with our day and we'll see you soon. Yeah, so we're just at St Francis, just doing this little addition to this gate. One on it, just had some dodgy wood bolted on bottom, so we just Carl fabricated them. We've got one on, just going to get the other one on now, and then we've just got a little bit to weld on our sliding latch down there because it's too small. Should be out of here in half an hour. Yeah, so that's it for that gate, we're done. Both on now. And I haven't got to come up and put his lock on. So yeah, another little job completed there. We're just packing away now. And all we've done is basically extended this here. This claws, I mean, they're not the best gates, but basically it was a bit short and the kids worked out that they could open them and they pushed them. Little weld on job there. I'll sign us out now on Carl strapping that on. Yeah, so we just landed over at HC Fabs in Garforth. Do a lot of stuff here, these guys. Look at these, all chain link gates. Haven't seen none of them for a few here. Beauties, them, aren't they? Quite a few gates. Here's Jim now, look. The lads here, doing a lot with these guys. We'll get loaded up and then we're just going to go have a meeting with them. So I shall see you shortly. So I'm just going to get my head back down at the office now for an hour, so I'm going to call it here. End of another week here at Airedale. You know, we keep plodding on. In a couple of weeks we're in at schools, work against some holidays, and we've got a few jobs lined up then with some auto gates and all sorts going on. So yeah, it's not bad, we're steady away, just how we like it. So that's it, I will call it here. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and we'll see you next week. Thank you.